Hey everyone, welcome back. So I've got something seriously exciting to share with you today. You guys remember the classic Morris Minor, right? That tiny, charming British icon from the late 1940s that basically defined simple, honest motoring? Well, it's coming back. And trust me, this is not just a basic throwback. The upcoming Morris Minor is being reimagined for a whole new generation. And it looks nothing like the cute little city car your grandparents might have driven. This new version keeps that nostalgic spirit, but it's wrapped in a much bolder, more modern design. You still get those rounded hints that nod to the original, but now it's paired with sharper LED lighting, a more muscular stance, and a slightly raised ride height that gives it a confident, almost mini SUV vibe. And yes, that raised stance isn't just for looks. Rumor has it, this new Minor will feature a hybrid engine setup. That means you get the smooth, quiet efficiency of electric driving in the city, combined with a petrol engine for longer trips. So it's practical, fuel-efficient, and future-ready, without losing that fun, lightweight personality the original was loved for. Imagine cruising silently through town during the week, and then heading out on a weekend road trip without worrying about charging stops. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. There are whispers that this new Morris Minor might actually have light off-road capability. I'm not saying it's going rock crawling, but think gravel roads, countryside trails, maybe even a bit of beach driving. For a car that started life as a tiny post-war runabout, that's a massive evolution. Step inside, and it's a whole different world compared to the original. The old Minor was charming, yes, but it was basic. Really basic. Really basic. The new one is expected to feature a clean digital display, a modern infotainment screen with smartphone connectivity, premium materials, and way better comfort overall. It's designed to feel retro on the outside, but properly modern on the inside. So you get that classic vibe without sacrificing convenience. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where it could really shake things up. Early expectations suggest it'll sit in the affordable compact crossover range. If they manage to keep it competitively priced, this could be one of the most attractive entry-level hybrid options out there. A stylish, heritage-inspired car with modern tech and hybrid efficiency? That's a strong combo. And honestly, when you compare it to the original Morris Minor, the transformation is kind of wild. The old one was all about simplicity and practicality in post-war Britain. This new version feels like it's aiming to be a lifestyle statement, something fun, efficient, and slightly adventurous. It's less basic commuter and more characterful urban explorer. But here's the big question. Can it truly capture the charm that made the original so beloved? That's what I'm most curious about, because reviving a legend isn't easy. You can modernize it, electrify it, lift it, redesign it. But if it doesn't feel special, it won't matter. And I've heard one more detail about this upcoming model that could either make purists very happy or start a huge debate in the car community. I'll be digging deeper into that in the next video. So if you love classic cars, modern hybrids, or you're just curious to see whether this revival lives up to the hype, make sure you stick around, hit subscribe, and I'll keep you updated as more details drop. Trust me, this comeback story is just getting started.